Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Pundi X and the potential that they have to impact the crypto world and just the world of the average Joe. Pundi X might be a very disruptive technology. Hear me out, guys. A blockchain city is in the works, and Pundi X will be the payment transactions provider. Their xPos has so much potential, like it's almost unbelievable how much potential it has. The xPos gives your everyday person the option to pay with fiat currency as well as cryptocurrencies. This will make it extremely beneficial for people just because as as more xPOSs are deployed and as cryptocurrencies become more of an everyday thing, uh, there's definitely going to be some people that are still going to be skeptical. So the fact that the XPOS will allow you to pay in fiat currency as well kind of makes a transition easier for the average person to transition themselves from what they're traditionally accustomed to cryptocurrencies. And that's one of the many reasons why I think the XPOS is going to be a great device that it's definitely going to change the way we transact on a day-to-day basis, and it's definitely going to help bring in more people that are new to the crypto ecosystem. It also makes it extremely easy to buy and sell cryptos, and as most of you know, I'm pretty sure when you first get into cryptocurrencies, it's not exactly the easiest thing to buy and trade at the very beginning, just because it's all new to you, and you need your wallet address, you need this and that to receive it and buy it. So it's definitely a bit of a process, especially for somebody that's coming into the crypto space. And it's just amazing to see how Pundi X is definitely going to help and make this extremely easier for the average person to be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. I really can't wait for this blockchain city to come out. And if you're wondering what the blockchain city is, you can actually refer back to some of my videos, and I talk about it there. And it's very impressive what they're doing with that. But nonetheless, this will be huge. As more XPOS devices get deployed, it will slowly attract more people to the decentralized side. So as you can see, they have a working product that can benefit the average person and introduce them to the crypto world. As more and more places become decentralized, the demand for the XPOS should rise higher than ever. This goes without mentioning their X phone, which again, if you're not too familiar with the X phone, you can refer back to some of my videos, and I talk about the X phone. I'm actually going to link the X phone video and the blockchain city video at the end of this video, so you can either skip ahead to the end and you'll have the links right there, just so you can get a sense of what I'm talking about when I say blockchain city and the X phone, if you're not familiar with that. And that pretty much does it for this video, but it's just pretty much like there's so much more to cover of Pundi X. I basically just gave you guys like a very small portion of what they're really doing, and just with this small portion you can definitely see the potential that they have. But anyways, again, that does it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy all my other videos, and if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrencies and build a community with me, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for my next video.